Here's a 1960 Cadillac. This is it's kind of like a light violet, almost a pink, but it's a light violet. It's got the largest tin tail fins around. You got your wire wheels on it, wide white walls. You notice the this is a nice touch where you got the purplish stripes, two-tone, two different colors. It's purple. Three actually it fades from a darker to a lighter, and it's got like a pinkish reddish colored pinstripe below it. That's very nice. It's got tan and red interior. Look at the radio. They were selling radios like that back then, like the space age, you know, AM radio. You got your rocket ship styling in the back. Look at that, look at that inside here. That's freaking wild. Huge trunk. It's a big car, really big car. Very aerodynamic too, considering, you know, they weren't using wind tunnels back then, pretty much. They'd mock this up in clay and make it out of metal. Those are men back then.